Red borscht soup is a traditional and delicious dish that originates from Eastern Europe. It is known for its vibrant red color and rich, hearty flavor. If you are interested in making this savory soup, here is a simple and easy-to-follow recipe. To start, gather the necessary ingredients: beets, potatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, tomato paste, vegetable or chicken broth, cabbage, vinegar, sugar, and seasoning like salt, pepper, and dill. First, peel and grate the beets, carrots, and potatoes. Finally, chop the onions and garlic. In a large pot, sauté the onions and garlic until they become fragrant and translucent. Then, add the grated beets, carrots, and potatoes and stir them together. Next, add the tomato paste and mix it well until the vegetables are coated. Pour in the vegetable or chicken broth enough to cover the vegetables. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Allow the soup to cook for about 30 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. While the soup is cooking, thinly slice the cabbage and add it to the pot. Season the soup with vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper according to your taste. Let the soup simmer for an additional 15 minutes. Once the soup is ready, you can garnish it with fresh dill for a burst of flavor and aroma. Serve the red borscht soup hot with a side of crusty bread or sour cream if desired. The beauty of red borscht soup lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can customize it by adding other vegetables like bell peppers or green beans. This soup is not only delicious and comforting, but it is also packed with nutrients from the vibrant vegetables. So grab your apron, prepare the ingredients, and enjoy a hearty bowl of red borscht soup.